Have you ever wondered if your mechanic is hiding something from you or worse, charging you for repairs you don't even need? As research shows that over 60% of car owners feel misled or overcharged by mechanics at least once in their lives. Trust me, it happens more often than you think. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot and avoid the 10 most common mechanic scams that everyone falls for. So, buckle up. It's time to save your car and your wallet. Scam number 1. Bait and switch parts scam. Here's a classic scam that I've seen way too often. The old bait and switch with parts. Here's how it works. You take your car in for a repair, and the mechanic says, you need this high-quality top-brand part to fix the problem. You think, okay, they know what they're doing, and you agree to it. But what they actually do is slap in a cheap, low-grade knockoff while charging you for the expensive part. You drive off none the wiser, but that cheap part, it's not going to last. It could fail faster than you expect, leaving you right back where you started, or worse. So, how do you avoid this scam? It's easier than you think. When they bring up the part, ask to see it. Check the box, the brand, and the part number. Don't just take their word for it. And when they're done, ask for your old part back. Any honest mechanic will be happy to show you what they replaced. If they hesitate or start giving excuses, that's a big red flag. Trust me, there's no reason to settle for shady practice. A little vigilance goes a long way in keeping your car and your wallet safe. Number 2. Unnecessary fluid flushes. Another common scam to watch out for is the unnecessary fluid flush. When you take your car in for a routine service, and the mechanic suddenly tells you that your transmission, brake, or power steering fluid is dirty and urgently needs flushing. They'll make it sound like skipping this service will destroy your car, and before you know it, you're agreeing to a costly flush that your vehicle doesn't even need. Most of the time, the fluids are perfectly fine and don't require changing at all. It's just a sneaky way for them to upsell you on something that passes their profit margin. So, how do you avoid this one? First, check your owner's manual. It has a clear maintenance schedule that tells you exactly when your fluids need to be changed or flushed. Mechanics love to push these unnecessary services because they know many people don't know the difference. Second, if they claim your fluids are dirty, ask to see them. A good mechanic will happily show you the condition of your fluids, and if you're still unsure, get a second opinion. Don't let them scare you into a service your car doesn't. If you're finding this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows. Number 3. Overcharging for diagnostic fees. When your engine checks, the engine light comes on, or your car isn't running right, so you take it to a shop. They plug in a scan tool, pull the error codes, and then hit you with a hefty diagnostic fee, sometimes $100, $200, or even more for a process that takes them just a few minutes. Worse, they might not even fully diagnose the issue. They'll just tell you the code and push for expensive repairs without doing any real troubleshooting. So, how do you protect yourself from this? First, invest in a basic scan tool or use a smartphone app that can read your car's codes. These tools are affordable and let you see the problem before you even step foot in a repair shop. Second, call around and compare diagnostic fees before choosing a mechanic. Some shops offer free diagnostics if you agree to let them handle the repair. Finally, make sure you're clear about what you're paying for. A proper diagnostic fee should cover not just reading the codes, but also the mechanic's time to investigate and pinpoint the issue. Number 4. Air conditioning recharge scam. Picture this. You notice your car's AC isn't blowing as cold as it used to, so you take it to a shop. The mechanic tells you, your system is low on refrigerant. We'll recharge it, and you'll be good to go. But here's the catch: they may charge you for the refrigerant, but barely add any. Or worse, not add any at all. They pocket the extra cash, and you're left sweating it out when your AC still doesn't perform like it should. So, how can you avoid this? First, don't just take their word for it. Ask to see a pressure test or a gauge reading of your AC system before and after the service. These readings show whether your refrigerant levels are truly low. Second, keep an eye on how they handle the process. A proper recharge involves checking for leaks and making sure the system is sealed tight, not just topping it off and sending you on your way. If they skip these steps or avoid showing you proof, that's a red flag. Number 5. Uneven brake pad wear scam. When you take your car in for a routine brake check and the mechanic tells you all 4 pads and rotors need replacing immediately, they'll claim it's a safety issue, hoping you won't question it. The truth? Most of the time, only 1 or 2 pads might be worn unevenly, and the rest are still in good condition. But they're banking on you not knowing that, so they can jack up the repair bill with unnecessary parts and labor. So, how do you avoid this scam? First, ask them to measure the thickness of each brake pad and rotor and show you the results. A trustworthy mechanic won't hesitate to show you the worn parts and explain why they need replacing. Second, keep an eye on your car's brake performance. Grinding, squealing, or pulling to one side are signs of uneven wear. If the mechanic's diagnosis doesn't match what you've been experiencing, get a second opinion. Don't let them pressure you into replacing perfectly good parts. Know what your car actually needs and stick to it. Number 6. Timing belt. Panic. This is how it goes. You bring your car in for regular maintenance and suddenly the mechanic tells you your timing belt is dangerously worn and could snap at any moment. You need to replace it right now. They make it sound like your engine is on the brink of destruction, pressuring you into an expensive repair that might not even be necessary. But the truth is that the timing belts are designed to last a specific mileage, often 60,000 to 100,000 miles or more, depending on your car. Unless you're past that mark, it's probably fine. So, how do you avoid falling for this? Always check your car's owner's manual for the recommended timing belt replacement interval. It's based on mileage and time, not guesswork. If a mechanic claims it's urgent, ask them to show you proof, like visible cracks or fraying on the belt. And here's a pro tip. If they can't explain it clearly or pressure you to decide on the spot, walk away and get a second opinion. 7. Battery replacement ripoff. Let's shed some light on the battery replacement ripoff, a scam that's way too common. When you take your car in for something minor and the mechanic suddenly claims your battery is dead or too weak, you need a new one immediately. But here's the catch. Your battery might be perfectly fine. Some shops even tamper with your car's electrical system to make the battery seem faulty, just so they can sell you an overpriced replacement. And even if they do replace it, they might swap in a lower quality battery while charging you premium prices. So, how do you avoid this? First, don't take their word for it. Ask for a battery test with a voltage reader or load tester and request to see the results. Many auto parts stores will do this for free, so you don't need to rely on a mechanic's word alone. Second, check your battery yourself. Most batteries have a production date stamped on them. If it's only a few years old, it's unlikely to need replacing unless there's another underlying issue. Number 8. Tire replacement scare. A classic scam designed to empty your wallet. Here's how it happens. You take your car in for a basic service and the mechanic tells you your tires are dangerously worn and need replacing immediately. They'll paint a picture of imminent blowouts or accidents, pressuring you into buying new tires on the spot, often at inflated prices. The truth? Your tires might still have plenty of life left in them, but they're betting you won't know how to check. Avoiding this scam is easier than you think. Before heading to the shop, check your tire tread yourself, using the simple penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time for a replacement. Also, look for the tread wear indicator bars. When they're flush with the tread, the tire is worn. And here's a tip. Always ask the mechanic to show you the issue on your tires. If they can't explain it or are vague, get a second opinion. Number 9. Engine flush scam. Here's a moneymaker for shady mechanics. The engine flush scam. When you're in the shop for an oil change and the mechanic tells you your engine oil is full of sludge and if you don't do an engine flush right now, it could cause major damage. They make it sound like a time bomb is ticking under your hood. But here's the truth. Most modern engines don't need a flush if you've been keeping up with regular oil changes. In fact, an unnecessary engine flush can sometimes do more harm than good, loosening debris that could clog vital engine components. So, how do you dodge this scam? Stick to your car's maintenance schedule. If you've been changing your oil on time with the recommended type, you probably don't need a flush. If they claim your engine is full of sludge, ask them to show you the dipstick or under the oil cap sludge is visible. Don't let a simple oil change turn into an expensive, unnecessary service. Stay informed, and don't let them flush your money down the drain. Number 10. Spark plug overkill. Here's a scam that's simple but effective. The spark plug overkill. You take your car in for routine maintenance and the mechanic says, "Your spark plugs are shot. We need to replace them all right away." What they don't tell you is that most modern spark plugs are designed to last 60,000 to 100,000 miles or more. Unless your car is running rough, misfiring, or you're due for a scheduled replacement, there's usually no need to swap them out early. But mechanics know spark plugs are an easy upsell because most people don't question it. To avoid this scam, start by checking your car's owner's manual for the recommended spark plug replacement interval. It's based on mileage, not guesswork. If a mechanic insists you need new plugs, ask to see the old ones and have them explain what's wrong. Worn spark plugs will show clear signs like heavy carbon buildup, a damaged electrode, or unusual wear. And if you're still unsure, don't let them convince you to replace perfectly good plugs. It's your car, and you're in control. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows.